Hi, my name is Kelly and I'm an engineer here at Opto 22. When we tell people that our HMI software is free, they immediately wonder, how can free software be any good? If you have a few minutes, I'll show you just how good it is, and just as important, how easy it is to use. Let's get started. Although the name of our HMI software is PAC Display Basic, it has all the features you'd expect in a full-featured HMI application, including data logging, real-time and historical trending, recipe uploading and downloading, alarming, security, and of course animation. All these features are included for free with no tag limits or hardware keys. We can offer PAC Display Basic for free because it was specifically designed for and only works with the SNAP PAC system, the most complete, easy-to-use automation system available today. That means you'll be up and running quickly and not wasting time troubleshooting communications or cross-referencing tag names. Creating an animated object in PAC Display is very simple. First, you need a graphic. Included with PAC Display Basic is Symbol Factory, which has thousands of useful graphics, such as buttons, controllers, and pipes. If you have a photo of your application you wish to animate, or perhaps a cool graphic that was drawn in Adobe Illustrator, no problem. You can import JPEGs, bitmaps, or metafiles such as your favorite clip art. You can also just use the drawing tools in the toolbox. Let's create a simple button to show you how fast the configuration process is. First, select the ellipse tool from the toolbox and draw a circle anywhere in the window. Next, choose the selection tool and double-click on the object. On the left, you'll see properties of the circle that can change based on the value of a tag, which can be a variable or I/O point in your PAC. On the right are operator actions. You can configure this button to turn on a valve, open a window, or start another program, for example. Let's have the fill color of the button change based on a tag's value. Select Fill Color and click Edit. Since we're going to link this button to discrete input status, we'll select Discrete. We'll change this box to red so that the button will be red when the input is on. Next, we click the Tag Selection button and choose the tag we would like to link our button to. Here's the beauty of PAC Display. Because it is tightly integrated with PAC Control, you have immediate access to all of your control program variables and I/O points. There's no need to retype tag names or configure a separate HMI database. Simply select the type of data, then the tag name. Change the refresh rate if you like, and you're done. Let's close all the screens and try it out by launching PAC Display Runtime. Select File, Save Project and load Runtime. This will open PAC Display Runtime. We're now in PAC Display Runtime. I'll flip a switch and we can see that the button we just made changes colors. While we're here in Runtime, let's take a look at some other features. Trends can be real-time, historical, or both, like this example. The trend is currently showing real-time data. This button switches to historical mode. PAC Display presents a list of historical data files, letting us select the time period we wish to view. Let's view this one. In historical mode, we can click on an individual point marker to view data. We can zoom in and out, scroll, and change the scale. Let's view up to 8,000. Clicking on the real-time button returns the trend to real-time mode. Each trend can plot up to 16 different tags at once. You can also plot data from tables using the XY plot tool. In our example, we have used objects on the PAC Display screen to communicate with our trend window. For example, to change the desired level of the tank, represented by the yellow line in our trend window, we use the animation of a slider. We change the position of the slider, and the change is reflected in our trend window. Another feature is alarming. Here's a detailed alarm screen where we can acknowledge or silence alarms. To acknowledge an alarm, select the alarm and press the Acknowledge button. To acknowledge all alarms, simply press the Acknowledge All button. You can also create historic logs. Other alarming features include sending values to other tags on alarm or acknowledgement, persistence, alarm priorities, alarm notification pop-up windows, file or printer logging, and sound triggering. On this screen, we have added animation to make the display resemble our real application more. We have an animated tank that displays the level in our real tank. We can fill the tank by turning our pump on. The pump spins while the tank is filling up. You can also use a graphic of a gauge to monitor pressure and temperature in the tank using this graphic right here. This is just a brief overview of PAC Display Basic. There are many other features such as recipes and data logging and security. For most applications, PAC Display Basic will do everything you need. However, if you wish to run backup OPC servers, connect to legacy Opto 22 hardware, or migrate older Opto display projects, you can easily upgrade to PAC Display Professional.
Thank you for viewing my Introduction to PAC Display screencast. If you would like further information about PAC Display or other Opto 22 products, feel free to browse our website and be sure to check out the other videos. Have a great day.